Morning, children. How are you, children? I am fine, children. Okay. Um, Master Kannan, please stand up. Can you say about sea turtle? Yes. Yes. The sea turtle live in ocean. Very good. Please sit down. Miss Suganya, stand up. Um, say about sea turtles character. Yes, sea turtles live in the ocean and come to the seashore for laying eggs. Okay, very good. Sit down. Now, I will explain the first section and section 2. Okay, sea turtles are 7 varieties in the world. 5 of them available at our country. In the 5 different variety, Hollywoodly is the most sea turtle available at our country. Okay, Hollywoodly sea turtle is the smallest one, and the leatherback sea turtle is biggest sea turtle. Okay, it will grow up almost 2.2 meter. Okay, the sea turtle come to the seashore at the time of January, February, March. In Indian seashore, they will come the time of night. They will come and lay their eggs. They come and dig the land, dig the sand and almost 45 centimeters and lay 100 eggs, and then it will go to the sea. Okay, at the same time 45 to 60 days the hatchlings come out from the eggs. Okay, um, at the same time the predators like jackal, crow, local dogs will come and search for their food, the sea turtle's eggs, and it will eat the egg. At the same time, our people, man and woman, also search for their food, the sea turtle's eggs. Okay. Uh, Now we shall go to the section 3. This sea turtle article, this lesson was written by Sheher Dattatri. Sheher Dattatri. Okay, I will read the lesson. First time you will underline unknown words for you. Okay, some new words for you. You will underline the new words. Okay, listen carefully. Look at the book. Many of these tiny hatchlings, which weigh less than 20 grams each, will not even reach the sea. They will fall prey to crabs or birds even before they reach the water. Most of those that do make it into the water will also be eaten by many predators in the sea within the first few days of their lives. In fact, scientists estimate that only one in every 1,000 hatchlings becomes an adult. It is perhaps to ensure that enough hatchlings survive to keep the species going that sea turtles lay so many eggs. After many years of swimming in the open ocean, The female hatchlings that have become adults return to the same beach where they were born. They come there to lay their own egg. How they manage to find the place after so many years in the sea is one of the many mysteries of these fascinating reptiles. Sea turtles are among the many wonderful creatures we share this planet with. They have survived natural dangers for millions of years, but sadly, human activities during the last few decades have put them in grave danger. There are many factors that threaten their survival. People hunt them for their meat or collect their eggs. Sometimes they are accidentally trapped in the nest of motorboats. Problems like pollution, dumping of plastics into the ocean, and construction activities on nesting beaches also hurt their survival. Only by systematically tackling these problems and removing these threats can we ensure that sea turtles will continue to exist in the years to come. Shekhar Dattatri. Okay, Shekhar Dattatri wrote articles on wildlife conservation and filmmaking. He has been interested in nature from childhood. He is an award-winning wildlife and conservation filmmaker. For more information on him, visit www.shehardattatri.com. Very good. Now, I will explain the section 3. You will listen carefully. Then, you will take some notes and underline some important points, and you will sit in groups and make mind map. Okay, and then you will consolidate the section 3 portion, and you will present here before the classroom. Okay, before the another group. Okay, very good. Many of these tiny hatchlings, please look at the picture, look at the image. The tiny hatchling size is this. This is the tiny hatchling size. It weighs only 20 grams. Okay, only 20 grams. It is only 20 grams. The olive leaf hatchling. Okay. In thousands of hatchlings, only one hatchling will go to the sea because lot of predators will eat the hatchling. Okay. After many years, after lot of years, these hatchlings went to the sea. It will became an adult. Then the hatchling will grow up and will become an adult. When it was grow up like an adult, the sea turtle come to the same place. Where is the same place? Where did the hatchling born on the seashore? It came to the same place after many years. Okay, and it will lay their eggs at the same the sea turtle's birthplace. Understand? It is the mystery. Okay. Ah. They have survival in the world millions of years. Ah. Human activities will destroy the sea turtles numbers. Okay. But now time also the sea turtle live in the world. Okay. Uh, um, lot of problems caused by the people to the sea turtle. We throw the garbages, polythene papers to the sea, and when we travel by the motorboat, the motorboats will destroy the sea turtle's nest, and also when we construct some buildings, some establishment on the sea, we also demolish, we also destroy the sea turtle's eggs. Okay. So we can save the sea turtles by protect the sea turtle, and we can gathering the hatchling when they come out from their egg, we take out the hatchlings and throw it or pure on the sea or in the sea. Okay, that was made by us to protect the survival of the sea turtles. Okay, you will do some notes, write down mind map, and then you will present in consolidate all these points, and then you will present in front of the classroom only using a language of English. Okay. Now the new words: survive, continue to live. That means we are surviving in the world. We are continuously living in the world. That meaning human being living in the world. Human beings survive in the world. They did not destroy by anybody else. So human beings survive in the world. Continue to live. Mysteries, facts that are difficult to understand. What is the meaning of facts that are difficult to understand? We cannot understand why the bird sit on the tree. We cannot understand the snakes how to move. That was the mysteries. Fascinating, attracting greatly. Attracting greatly means peacock attracting us because of its feathers, its colorful feathers. Okay, so the Taj Mahal is attracting us also. So fascinating means attracting greatly. Decade, a period of 10 years. DECADE, decade, a period of 10 years. 10 years period we can also call as decade. Okay, we finish the 3 section. You will write down the read and understand vocabulary and also language checkpoint. Okay, then we will meet tomorrow. You will make some sea turtle model with the clay or mud. Okay, you prepare, you will make your own hands. Okay, thank you children.